Welcome back to All Star Auto Sales. I'm Jared.
My name is Rich.
We have a lot of great cars in inventory here today that we want to show you. First, we have a couple things that we want to show you that we do here at All Star Auto Sales.
One of the special unique things at All Star Auto Sales we do, we offer you a $500 credit guarantee. What that means, you come down, you visit Jared, myself, Sergio, or our location in Shrewsbury, ask for Tom or Dave. What the credit guarantee means, very easily. You come in, put your application in. Our lenders within 20 minutes will give you an approval. They come back and say you're approved up to $10,000 with $500 down, you're approved. If the lender comes back and says you're not approved, we give you $500 on the spot. No gimmicks here at All Star Auto Sales. And Jared?
Well, there's dealers out there that you go to and they say, oh, you need $5,000 down. You have to have a minimum of $1,200. There is no minimum down payment here at All Star Auto Sales. You don't have to have $1,200. You don't have to have $700. There is no minimum here at All Star Auto Sales. Matter of fact, yesterday we had a customer drive home in a vehicle with only $200 down. That's right, $200 down. There is no minimum down payment here at All Star Auto Sales. So if you're worried about down payment, no problem. Give us a call, let us know what you're working with, and let us get you driving. Because here at All Star Auto Sales, everybody drives. First up on the show today, we have a gorgeous 2010 Ford Fusion SE. Top of the line, all the options. Give us a call at 508-480-8989 and low miles, only 60,000 miles on this gorgeous 2010 Ford Fusion. And the next up, we have a 2007 Hyundai Sonata V6, 3.3 liter, 30 miles a gallon, mid-size sedan. Again, you can give us a call at 508-480-8989 with any questions that you have on any vehicles that you see or anything about financing here on the show today. Also, go to our website at allstarauto.com, view our entire inventory, fill out an online application right on our website. Next up, we have on sale manager special this week, the 2005 Chrysler 300C. And yes, it's got a Hemi. Leather, heated seats, moonroof, and yes, it's got navigation as well. So stop in, take this gorgeous Chrysler 300 for a test drive today here at All Star Auto Sales. We have over 90 vehicles in inventory right now and more are always arriving daily here at All Star Auto Sales. Right here, standing with my SUVs, we have over 20 plus four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive SUVs and crossovers in stock right now. Right next to me, just came in, is a 2005 Chevy Tahoe, an American icon in the SUV market. This here is an awesome truck. You name it, it's got it. Z71 four-wheel drive in the suspension package, the TV for the kids, the third row, leather, heated seats, CD changer, Bose sound system. So many options to list. Definitely something you want to come down, stop by, take it for a test drive. If you need a big SUV to fit the family, this is the perfect one right here. We got plenty more SUVs in stock as well, all viewable at our website at allstarauto.com. Thank you for joining us this week here at All Star Auto Sales. Remember, you can visit us online at allstarauto.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, or you can give us a call 6 days a week here at All Star at 508-480-8989. I'm Jared.
I'm Rich.
And we hope to see you here this week at All Star Auto Sales.